Everyone wants to be rich, but almost no one knows how to actually get there. And that is the real problem. Most people follow the same old path: go to school, get a job, work 40 years, then retire tired and broke. That's the old way. In 2025, that formula is broken. The world has changed, and the rich are playing a different game. They don't chase money. They build systems that attract it. And today, I'll show you one tool that can completely change your life if you use it well. First, you have to understand the truth. Nobody has gonna tell you this. Smart people are now using AI to create multiple income streams even while they sleep. And today, I'll show you how. It's called Pictory AI. Sounds simple. It's more powerful than you think. Pictory lets you turn simple scripts, blog posts, or even random ideas into full videos in minutes. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. Just paste your script and it will automatically generate a full video with voiceover, stock footage, captions, transitions, and more. But here's what people don't realize: Pictory doesn't just save you time. It gives you the power to create content like a team of 5 editors all by yourself. So you can create faceless YouTube videos that go viral, start a motivational channel that runs 24/7, sell video content to clients and businesses, build a brand without even being on camera. And the best part, you can create your first few videos absolutely free. Here's the secret: some creators are making thousands of dollars per month on YouTube, and they're doing it with just a script, Pictory AI, and consistency. They don't want you to know this, because if you knew, you'd start winning too. And that's why this video exists, to show you what's possible. No more excuses. No more waiting. If you've watched this far, you're not like the rest. You want change. You want smart income. You want to be rich, but the smart way. And you're ready to start. So take action now. Sign up for Pictory AI and create your first video today. Then rinse, repeat, and build your empire from your laptop. Like this video if you learned something powerful. Subscribe for more smart income strategies. And most importantly, share this with someone who needs it. This is how we win in 2025. Smart tools, smart work, smart income.